Satisfying, tantalizing and breathtaking luxury hotel in Bangladesh. Less than a 10-minute drive from Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport. Welcome to the Javan Hotel. A German-Bangladesh joint venture hotel. The first luxury bar rock hotel in Bangladesh of international standard. Sincere and warm hospitality. 72 centrally air-conditioned rooms and suites in 4 standard categories. Indoor swimming pool. Travel agency and money exchange. Barber shop. Intimate spa. Spacious modern gymnasium. World-class fine dining restaurant. Large banquet hall. Posh bar with international liquors available. Live songs. Cozy rooftop. Javan Hotel, the Bar Rock Hotel in Tongi, Bangladesh.